In the third question, first of all, let's read the captions. Represent a set having only 5 elements by writing down a common property which the elements of set can be clarified and defined. Name it as P. Okay, so we have to name a set P with only 5 elements. Okay, only 5 elements. Mm, which write down the common property. Okay, let's write the name. Okay, identify name and the elements of P. Vowels in English alphabet. Okay, there are actually only obviously five answers. A, E, I, O, and U. Those are the 5 elements. Likewise, you can write any of the possible 5 elements belongs to a particular set. Okay, I'll write that first. Mm, P in set notation. Vowels in English alphabet. Vowels in English alphabet. Okay, this is the name of our set P. Likewise, you can write any of these name. Okay, but actually in that only there are 5 elements. Okay, only there are 5 elements. Likewise, you can name a set with 5 elements and its elements. The elements belongs to the P set are A, E, I, O, and U. These are the elements of P set P. Next, let's read the second one. A equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Write down set A in terms of common property of its elements by each clearly identified. Okay. Okay, prime numbers between 1 and 14 or prime numbers less than 14. Likewise, you can name this. Okay, I'll name it as prime numbers. Okay, these are prime numbers. That's the common property of these numbers. Prime numbers from 1 to 14. 1 to 14. Likewise, you can name this set. And third one, B. Letters of word KOLLUPITIYA. So we know that we have to write one element once. Okay, one element once to identify all the elements in this set. Okay, set B. Represent the set B in a Venn diagram and write the name of the elements of it. Okay. In Venn diagram, we are going to denote that on Venn diagram. Okay, this is a Venn diagram. Inside here, I'll put a circle. Okay, this is our set B. Set B. And the letters here, which are K, O, L, U, P, I, T, I already here, Y, and A. Okay, these are the elements belongs to set B. Okay, letters of the word collopetia. Represent the set B in Venn diagram and write the number of elements of it. Okay, in Venn diagram we have denoted. And next question in here, number of elements. Okay, so you should indicate simple N. Number of B. Number of set B. How many elements? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are totally 9 elements belongs to this set B. And in part B, we have some set of questions. Write out an example for each of the events which definitely occur and the events which definitely does not occur. An example, definitely occurring events and definitely does not occur. Likewise, we have to name example, 2 events. Okay, for definitely occurring, okay, definitely occurring, I'll write mm, in rainy days. In rainy days, flow get wet. Flow get wet. Get wet. Okay, this is actually definitely occurring event. Okay, in rainy days floor get wet. Okay, in rainy days all the floor will be wet. That's definitely occurring event. Definitely does not occur. Okay, definitely not occurring events. We can write an example as stone float on water surface. Float in water surface. In water. Water or water surface. Both are same. These are the examples for definitely occurring and definitely does not occurring events example. Name two fair objects that can be used in an experiment. Okay, for that we are usually using fair coin. Okay, fair coin and a die. Okay, cubic die. Likewise, we are using these two objects for an experiment. Fair objects. A regular tetrahedral die numbered 1 to 4 is rolled on the table and the number written on the face which touches the table is recorded. Write down the outcome of. Okay. In tetrahedral die, there are four faces. Okay, four faces. In below we have a triangular face. In each side of this we have triangular faces. Okay, imagine that in 3D manner. Okay, below we have a face. In left side we have a face. Right side we have another face. Okay, another face. And towards us we have another face. So totally there are four faces. That is numbered from 1 to 4. When you roll that on the table, numbering on the face which touches the table was recorded. Right, all the possible outcomes of this experiment. Okay, we have to write all the possible outcomes. Possible outcomes are, it might be 1, 2, 3 or 4. These are the only possible outcomes for this event. When you roll it, only there are 4 numbers no amongst that. One will be our answer in this case. Okay, one will touch the surface of the table. So these are the 4 outcomes.